5. Best luxury car mats. Enhancing the interior of your luxury car goes beyond aesthetics. It's about indulging in comfort and style with every detail. One such detail that can elevate your driving experience is investing in luxury car mats. Welcome to Auto V-Fix, our YouTube channel exclusively dedicated to all things automotive. In today's video, we'll be delving deep into the top 5 luxury car mats that combine style, protection, and comfort. One, WeatherTech Digital Fit Floor Liners. WeatherTech Digital Fit floor liners are engineered with precision to fit your luxury car perfectly. Key features: laser measured for a precise fit, high-density tri-extruded material for durability, channels to carry fluids and debris away from shoes. Available for a wide range of luxury vehicle makes and models. These mats offer superior protection against spills, dirt, and debris, keeping your car's interior immaculate while providing a luxurious feel underfoot. The raised lip design contains liquids, and the textured surface enhances foot traction. 2. Lloyd Ultimate Custom Fit Floor Mats. Lloyd Ultimate Custom Fit Floor Mats exude elegance with their tailored fit and plush carpeting. Key features: premium nylon yarn for durability and luxury feel. Custom fit design for your specific vehicle, wide range of colors to match or accent your interior, optional heel pad for extra durability in high-wear areas. Crafted with premium materials, these mats not only enhance the aesthetics of your luxury car, but also provide exceptional comfort for every drive. The dense, 32-ounce yarn weight offers a luxurious feel underfoot. 3. 3D Max Piter Kagu Floor Mats. 3D Max Piter Kagu Floor mats combine innovative design with practical functionality. Key features: 3-layer structure for protection, cushioning, and stability. Anti-skid backing to keep mats in place. Profile Azle for seamless integration with car interior. Stain-resistant and easy to clean. These mats feature a unique 3-layer structure that effectively traps dirt and moisture while adding a touch of sophistication to your luxury car's interior. The textured surface provides a modern, high-tech appearance. 4. G.G. Bailey Luxury Car Mats. G.G. Bailey luxury car mats offer a customizable touch to your luxury car's interior. Key features: wide range of colors, patterns, and materials. Personalized embroidery options. Waterproof and stain-resistant backing. Premium edge finishing. With a wide range of colors, patterns, and personalized embroidery options, these mats allow you to tailor your car's flooring to match your unique style preferences. From classic black to bold patterns, G.G. Bailey offers unparalleled customization. 5. Bentley Luxury Car Mats. For the ultimate statement of luxury, Bentley offers bespoke car mats, crafted to match the elegance of their vehicles. Key features: handcrafted with the finest materials, perfect color match to your Bentley's interior, embroidered Bentley logo, deep pile luxury carpet. Made from the finest materials and meticulously crafted to exact specifications, Bentley luxury car mats exude exclusivity and opulence like no other. These mats are the epitome of automotive luxury. In conclusion, elevate the luxury of your driving experience with these finest car mats available in 2024. From precision-engineered protection to tailored elegance and customizable options, these top 5 luxury car mats offer the perfect blend of style, comfort, and functionality for the discerning driver. When choosing luxury car mats, consider factors such as 1. Material quality and durability. 2. Fit and coverage for your specific vehicle model. 3. Ease of cleaning and maintenance. 4. Style and color options to complement your car's interior. 5. Your budget and desired level of customization. Invest in the right luxury car mats and choose indulgence with every step inside your luxury vehicle. And that concludes our discussion on the 5 best luxury car mats. If you found these insights helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more premium automotive content, and hit that notification bell. Share your thoughts or experiences with luxury car mats in the comments below. Until next time, drive in style and comfort.